Hi guys, I was doing a bit of tidying up upstairs, came across this fella. He's a animatronic money box. You put something in there or put a coin in there and that sets him off. Switch him on. Find a coin. Yeah, a little bit over the top. I checked my archives and I did do a video of him and I did do a teardown. So there'll be a link in the video description so you can look at the teardown if you want to. What I'm going to do to him today is make a battery cover for him. Well, I've actually done the battery cover because the battery cover was missing. I found a screw that seems to fit and I've 3D printed a battery cover. So he also needs a little bit of sewing done. The seam has come loose at the back now. Other than that, he actually works. Well, that was neat. Just drop the screw in the bin. I suppose on the positive side, it didn't roll off underneath the table. So I did actually get the dimensions right. So there we are. Battery cover. So I'll get my wife's sewing kit out and sew that up and put him with my other stock of animatronics that usually come out at Christmas time, because most of them are Christmas animatronics. Father Christmas and, well, quite a few Father Christmas and some other other subjects. Yeah, you don't need to see me sew it up, but I will do that, I think. I'm not quite sure why he was in the room that he was in. He was in one of the spare bedrooms. We have two spare bedrooms, one nice and tidy for guests and the other is my work room that's full of junk. And this was in the tidy room. I should imagine that he was on its way upstairs into the loft where they're all stored and I forgot about him. And he's been there long enough to collect dust. So yeah, check the video description and there'll be a link to the original videos. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.